For this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about how to format an Office 2010 Microsoft Word document in MLA format using the 7th edition. So, here I have my blank document. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up top here to the yellow box. I'm going to right click and click Modify. From there, I'm going to change several things. First, I'm going to change the font. The font should be in Times New Roman, and it should be size 12. Now, the reason why that I don't change the font here is because if I change it here, then it will not change it in my headings later. So I always want to make sure I change it here, not up here. So, now that I've selected Times New Roman, size 12, I come down and click Format. From Format, I'm going to click Paragraph. This is going to open up a new window. I need to do several things here. First, I need to change the spacing after, and I need to adjust my line spacing. So, I change this down to 0. I change line spacing to double. I hit OK here, and I hit OK here. Next thing is I need to insert a page header. So to do that, I'm going to come up here, up top, and click Insert. From there, I'm going to go over to Page Number. Now sometimes this seems to take a long time to load, so it's important to click slowly and wait for the program to catch up. Click the drop down. I'm going to select top of the page, and notice that it automatically opened. I want plain number 3. Now with plain number 3, it has inserted a page number into the first page. Now the cursor is to the left of the number. Actually, my name will be Joe Student. So I will put student, capital student here, space. It's important to put the space there. Once I have put in my page number, I'm going to click, I can either click close here or I can just double click somewhere in the body. I'm going to click close. Now I need to put my page heading. So, the first thing that's going to go in the page heading is going to be my first and last name. I'm careful to capitalize the first letter of each. So, I said my name was Joe Student. I'm going to hit enter one time. Then I'm going to put my teacher's names. For this, I'm going to use Mr. Heinz, Mr. Carafa. Hit enter one more time. Next, I need to indicate what class I'm in. For our class, it would be English 9, followed by period, and then whatever period you have us, 2 for example. And last, we need to put in the date. Now the date's going to be in the day, month, year format. So for example, today's date would be the 13th, space, November. I'm going to spell out November, space, 2014. Enter. Now, I'm going to insert my title. To insert the title, I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to center my cursor. Now, the title for MLA format, there's no bolding or italicizing or underline. You can't change the font. It is the same size, Times New Roman, size 12. So for this paper, formatting, here's my title. Notice that the major words are capitalized, but little words like of and the, those are generally remained lowercase. From here, I hit enter one more time. Now I need to left justify my cursor. So, At this point, I could start typing my paper. Before I start typing, I'm going to use the tab key. The tab key moves my cursor over approximately 5. Alright, so I've typed my first paragraph. You can see that my first line of the paragraph is indented using the tab key. It's on your keyboard just above the cap locks. And when I get done typing, I can hit enter. And I want to make sure that if I'm starting another paragraph, I hit tab again. And now I can start my second paragraph. So each paragraph is tabbed over. Now, Microsoft Word usually catches on after about the first or second paragraph, and it will begin auto-tabbing over. So just make sure that you don't have a paragraph that's tabbed over too much. All your paragraphs should align. So it shouldn't be something like that. They should all start at the same area. So notice one tab over, the first line of my paragraphs all align. After I've done this, now I didn't cover the page margins. Page margins in Microsoft Word are set up to be 1 inch on auto. I went up to page layout margins. They should already be 1 inch all the way around. Notice that there are no extra spaces between my first and my second paragraph. It's just one line. I did not double space or anything. Everything is just single space between every paragraph. For more information, I recommend visiting the OWL at the Purdue University. It's a great resource. So something like this, and they have, including Works Cited, EndNotes, even have a sample paper that you can look at and download. So it's a really great resource, and I'd like to give them credit for providing a really wonderful tool here. So I got to this just by simply Googling English MLA OWL, and it was the first hit. So definitely a great resource if you need more information. Of course, as you're typing, don't forget to save your document. Thank you for watching the MLA Formatting in Microsoft Word video.